The SimPure Tankless UV reverse osmosis system offers a convenient and efficient solution designed to fit under your sink. This advanced filtration system utilizes a 5-stage filtration process, including UV sterilization, to ensure the removal of impurities and contaminants. With a high flow rate of 400 gallons per day (GPD) and a nearly zero total dissolved solids (TDS) level, this system provides you and your family with a continuous supply of pure and refreshing water. 5-stage filtration for exceptional purity. The SimPure Tankless UV reverse osmosis system employs a comprehensive 5-stage filtration process to purify your water effectively. The system starts with a sediment filter, removing larger particles such as sand and rust. Next, the pre-carbon filter targets chlorine, odor, and organic compounds. The row membrane filters out impurities such as heavy metals, bacteria, viruses, and dissolved solids. The post-carbon filter further enhances the taste and removes any remaining odors. Lastly, the UV sterilization stage utilizes ultraviolet light to eliminate 99.99% of harmful microorganisms, providing an extra layer of protection for your drinking water. Ultra-efficient and high flow rate. The SimPure Tankless UV reverse osmosis system boasts an impressive flow rate of 400 GPD, ensuring a continuous supply of purified water for your household needs. The built-in booster pump increases the system's efficiency, allowing for faster water production while maintaining optimal filtration performance. With this system, you no longer have to wait for hours or worry about running out of clean water, making it perfect for larger households or offices with high water consumption. Exceptionally low TDS levels. Total dissolved solids (TDS) refers to the amount of dissolved minerals and impurities present in water. The SimPure Tankless UV reverse osmosis system achieves a TDS level that is nearly zero, providing you with water that is exceptionally pure and free from unwanted contaminants. This ensures that you and your family are drinking water of the highest quality, promoting better health and well-being. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.